Are you curious about which trading platform is better? Today we are diving into Mudrex and CoinDCX to see how they stack up against each other. Both Mudrex and CoinDCX help you trade cryptocurrencies. They offer different tools and features to make trading easier for everyone. But how do they differ? Let's start with Mudrex. This platform focuses on algorithmic trading. It allows users to create and test their own trading strategies without needing to code. It's user friendly and great for beginners. The platform also offers a marketplace where you can find strategies made by others. Now, let's talk about CoinDCX. This is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of coins to trade. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders. CoinDCX provides advanced trading features, including margin trading and lending options. This makes it a versatile choice for many users. So, what are the main differences? Mudrex is all about automated trading. It's perfect if you want to set your strategies and let them run. CoinDCX, on the other hand, is more of a traditional exchange with many trading options. When it comes to features, Mudrex shines with its algorithmic tools and strategy marketplace. CoinDCX offers a broader selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading options. Now, let's touch on pricing. Mudrex has a subscription model, while CoinDCX usually charges fees based on trades. You'll want to check their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you want to automate your trading and try different strategies, go with Mudrex. But if you prefer a wide range of coins and advanced trading tools, CoinDCX is the better choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.